Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 13th August 2020. Let's have listen and imbibe one more features of Prakashmani Dadiji. Dadiji always said that if you have the feeling that you belong to everyone and look after everybody as a trustee, you are unable to do the righteous actions by having love rather than attachment. Sweet children, think about who has come to teach you, and you will have goose pimples of happiness. The highest on high Father is teaching you. Never stop studying such a study. Question: what faith have you children now developed? What is the sign of those who have faithful intellects? Answer: you now have the faith that you are studying in the study to become double crowned kings of kings. God Himself is teaching you and making you into the masters of the world. You have now become His children, therefore, you should now become busy in this study. Just as small children don't like to go to anyone except their parents, so you too have found the unlimited Father and should therefore not like to go to anyone else. You should have remembrance of the One alone. Song: who has come in the early hours of the morning? Essence for Dharana. First point: God Himself as the Supreme Teacher is teaching us, therefore study very well and follow His direction. Second point: have such yoga with the Father that you accumulate the power of silence. Conquer the world with the power of silence, become pure from impure. Blessing: may you be courageous and make the land fruitful with your constant and stable stage of following one direction. Description: when you children become courageous with your constant and stable stage of following one direction in a gathering, and you remain engaged in just one task, you will always remain in blossom and the land will also become fruitful. Nowadays, through science, you plant something and immediately receive its fruit in the same way. With the power of silence, you will easily and quickly see revelation. When you remain free from obstacles and are merged in love for the one Father, when you follow the direction of one and are constant and stable, many other souls will automatically cooperate with you and the land will become fruitful. Slogan: those who consider arrogance to be their pride cannot remain humble. Om Shanti.